Hey guys, welcome back to the special technology series I'm planning on doing on my TikTok. Today we're going to be smashing this. It's a piece of shit, the screen's broke. The SD card's stuck in there. So let's get to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. The lens is broke. Oh, and the flash. Well, there's part of the lens. There's part of the flash. Hang on. There's part of the flash and the lens. So, oh yeah, that's broken. Hopefully, can it be fixed? No, it's broken. Oh, wow. Oh, my SD card's popped out. Need that. Oh shit, it just fell apart. Right now, 3, 2, 1. Shit, that just went in my neighbour's backyard. Yes, that's that now. Get there. Oh, let's break this glass pair. Oh yeah, that definitely broke. Look at all that. Let's chuck it in here so my cat don't get injured. There we are. More broken bits of the camera. No. This is safer after about 3 throws. Still got the strip and I've got the buttons still intact, sadly. So let's just do a few more. It's like hit it straight. That didn't do much damage. I'll put some batteries in this afterwards and let's see. Will it work? I'll get some batteries ready. Wow. Infinite glitch. Right now. 3, 2, 1. Let's just swing around. Ooh, that's made some damage, boys or girls. Look at that. Oh, all of that. Oh my god, yeah, look, all of that's broken. Buttons are still intact. I really want to snap the buttons off. There's a part of it, that's the little flappy covery thingy for the thingy slot, for the mini HDMI slot. That's all broken. Buttons still work. Oh no, they don't. Oh, the motherboard's been pushed back. Oh guys, there's a flash capacitor in there. Don't want to touch that. Or else you'd probably get killed. Not literally, but it'd give you a very nasty electric shock. Let's just... Oh, that didn't do much damage. Let's smash it with a rock. Oh, yeah guys, that did damage. Oh, 3, 2, 1. It's still fine. I reckon I could sell this for 50 quid on eBay. It's a bit wobbly. And the top of it's coming off. And all that's coming off. But that can just be fixed. And we are brand new. Guys, just so you know, I'm not smashing a perfectly fine camera. It is about a 10-year-old camera. And the flash was all, not the flash, the lens was all blurry. It's just shit. So let's get to it again. Yeah, boys, that's broken. Oh my god. Something just flew into there. I can't find it, but let's check. So we're going to check for any damage. No, that looks as good as it was when I got it. Do the buttons still click? Well, yes they do. Am I going to smash it again? Well, yes, obviously. So guys, the battery compartment snapped off. What else? I think that's it really. Battery compartment snapped off. That's the pile of shit. And that looks like that. Ooh, let's... Oh, well that just happened. Oh my god, it's managed to crack metal. What the hell? That looks even better. Oh my god. Well, I want to keep this bit as a souvenir of me smashing at those buttons. So I'm just going to put that there. Oh shit, my dad's coming, I think. Hang on. Well, let's bin all the broken bits that we don't need second. So all of this crap. Oh my, you can still see the Xbox controller from my last board smashing. Yeah, it's definitely a bit. Now let's check if my dad's home. Thank God he ain't. Now let's get smashing this boy again. Oh, I forgot about that. I want this top bit that's got all the buttons and says the name of the camera. Everything else I don't care about. So let's just 3, 2, 1. Holy Jeff balls. Look at that. Oh my God, it's literally falling apart as we speak. Because I'm smashing it. Oh no! The bit that I wanted to keep is snapped in half. Oh! I think I'll just keep that bit. Let's put that there to keep. This can all go in the bin. Lovely. Guys, by the way, he's on YouTube. You have to follow him, but my inspiration for doing this all in the board smashing series is Plain Rock 124. He's like the best tech destruction YouTuber in the world. So let's get right back to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at all that. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at all this that's falling off that camera. Oh my God. That's the lens. Oh my God, yeah, look at all that. Oh my God, I found the part for the Xbox controller. The thumbsticks. So look at all that that's just falling off. There's the lens. That I knew that's gonna break anything. Oh my God, there's a little meter. I don't care. I mean, I do, but I don't. Let's pick all this stuff up. The name of the camera on a bit of plastic. So let's bin all of this. There we are. If somebody thinks that this is really cringe, please do send me a message on TikTok and I'll take it down because I don't really want to be embarrassed. That's that part of the camera. And with that, and with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!